Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are learning your geometry chapter. The name of the chapter is the mensuration. In the last video lecture, we have seen 3-dimensional figures, 3D figures and formulas for that 6 figures. Hopefully तुम्ही ते formulas learn केले असतील, केले नसतील तर आता जेव्हा आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट सोडवणार आहे तेव्हा जो फॉर्म्युलाचा टेबल आहे तो टेबल तुम्ही यूज करणार आहात, रेफर करणार आहात. पहा लास्ट व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 7.1 सोडवायला स्टार्ट केलं होतं. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 1 to 4 आपण सॉल्व केले होते. नाउ टुडे वी विल स्टार्ट विथ युअर क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. या चॅप्टरमध्ये खूप सारे फॉर्म्युलेज असणार आहेत, 3D डायग्राम्स असणार आहेत. सो मेक प्रॉपर चार्ट फॉर दॅट. मूविंग टुवर्ड्स दी प्रॅक्टिस सेट 7.1 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 मध्ये आपल्याला सांगितलं आहे की क्युबॉइडचे आपल्याला डायमेन्शन्स दिले आहेत. ओके, लेंथ, ब्रेथ अँड हाईट. ओके, LBH 44, 21 अँड 12 सेंटीमीटर रिस्पेक्टिवली. जर असं दिलं आहे तर आपल्याला काय सांगितलं आहे, तो क्युबॉइड जर सपोज टू बी मेटल क्युबॉइड आपण मेल्ट केला आणि त्याचा कोन तयार केला. इफ वी मेल्ट दॅट क्युबॉइड अँड वी मेड कोन, देन द हाईट ऑफ दॅट कोन इज 24 सेंटीमीटर. कोनची हाईट किती आहे, 24 सेंटीमीटर आहे. देन फाइंड द रेडियस ऑफ द बेस ऑफ कोन. ठीक आहे, मग कोनची जी बेस असणार आहे त्याची रेडियस आपल्याला फाइंड करायची आहे. क्युबॉइडसाठी आपल्याला तीनही डायमेन्शन्स दिले आहेत. सो वी विल राईट फॉर क्युबॉइड length L is equal to 44 centimeter, breadth B is equal to 21 centimeter and height H is equal to 12 centimeter. Okay, this is what they have given. And for cone, height H is equal to 24 centimeter. Now just read the question. In the question they have mentioned that 3 dimensions for the cuboid, that is length, breadth and height is 44, 21 and 12 respectively. If we melt that cuboid and made a cone, then the height of that cone is 24 centimeter. Then we have to find the base radius of the base. For that we will find the volume of a cuboid. So volume of cuboid is equal to, the formula for volume of a cuboid is L into B into H. We have learned this formula. L is what, 44 centimeter, 44 into B is what, 21 centimeter and H is 12 centimeter. We will further not solve this. So we are writing here volume of a cuboid. So the unit will be cubic centimeter. Okay, unit will be cubic centimeter. This is for cuboid. Now for the cone we will do the same. Volume of a cone, the formula for volume of a cone is equal to 1/2 pi r square h. Here we have to find the radius. So r, we will assume r is equal to r. Okay, we will assume radius r is equal to capital R. So 1/2, we will use the value of pi 22 upon 7. I have told you for pi you can use 22 upon 7 or 3.14. These are the two fixed values of pi. You can use one of them. R square will be as it is, as we have to find the value of R, and H is 24 centimeter. Okay, for this we will again write the unit cubic centimeter as we are finding the volume. So we will say this equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now in the example they have said that cuboid is made and cone is made from the cuboid. Okay, so cone is made by melting cuboid. ओके, देन जर हे क्युबॉइड मेल्ट करून कोन बनवला आहे तर दोन्हीचे जे व्हॉल्यूम्स असणार आहेत ते सेम असायला हवेत. सो व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ क्युबॉइड इज इक्वल टू व्हॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन. दोन्हीचे व्हॉल्यूम्स काय असणार आहेत? सेम असणार आहेत. वाय? बिकॉज कोन इज मेड बाय मेल्टिंग क्युबॉइड, देन द volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cone. So we will write this equation for volume of a cuboid. Equation is 44 into 21 into 12 cubic centimeter. So 44 into 21 into 12 is equal to, for the volume of a cone, equation is 1/2 into 22 upon 7 into r square into 24, whereas 24 is the height of a cone. Okay, so we have to find the value of r square. So r square is equal to 44 into 21 into 12 into 3 into 7 upon 22 into 24. So we will get the value of r square. R square is equal to 441. 441 is a square of 21. So r is equal to 21. R is what? Radius. So radius of base of a cone is 21 centimeter. We are writing radius, so we will obviously use the unit centimeter. Here the radius of the base of the cone is 21 centimeter. See again how we solved it. For cuboid, they have given us the dimension. Length is 44 centimeter, breadth is 21 centimeter, and height is 12 centimeter. And the cuboid is melt and cone is made from that melt cuboid, and the height of that cone is 24 centimeter. Then we have to find radius. Let's assume the radius capital R. So the volume of a cuboid, the formula for volume of a cuboid is length into breadth into height. So 44 into 21 into 12. The unit for volume is cubic centimeter. We will say it as equation number 1. Moving towards the next, volume of a cone is 1/2 pi r square h. Okay, so r square ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला माहित नाही आहे. We have to find the value of r. r ची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला फाइंड करायची आहे. 1/2 as it is. पायाची व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही 22/7 और 3.14 या दोन्हीपैकी कम्फर्टेबल त्या इक्वेशनला जी व्हॅल्यू असेल ती व्हॅल्यू यूज करणार आहात. सो 22/7 इंटू आर स्क्वेअर ॲज इट इज, बिकॉज आपल्याला आर रेडियसची व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची आहे, इंटू 21 ही 24 ही हाईट आहे, अँड युनिट अगेन क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. वी विल से इट ॲज इक्वेशन नंबर 1. In the example they have given, cone is made by melting cuboid. Okay, cone is made by melting cuboid. So the volume of both cone and cuboid must be same, because cuboid is melt and cone is made. So volume of this cuboid and cone should be same. So cone is made by melting cuboid. For that statement we will write volume of cuboid is equal to volume of cone. Now we have both the equations for the volume of cuboid and volume of cone. For the volume of cuboid, the equation is 44 into 21 into 12 is equal to, for the volume of cone, equation is 1/2 into 22/7 into r square into 24. We have to find the value of r square. We will take r square over here. 44 into 21 into 12 into 3 into 7 upon 22 into 24. R square will be 441. But we have to find the value of just r. So by taking square roots on both sides, we will get the value of r 21. Here we got r 21. R is what? R is the radius of a cone. Okay, we are assuming radius of a cone r is the capital R, and we have find the value of capital R. Capital R is the radius of a cone. You will write in words after completing the example that the radius of a base of cone is 21 centimeter. Write down the example. Next question, question number 6 from your practice set 7.1. Here they have given us two diagrams. I will draw the diagrams on your on board. See, first diagram is of tube, conical, it's a conical water jug. Here they have given us the radius 3.5 centimeter, then height which is 10 centimeter. This is conical water jug. And second diagram is of cylindrical water pot. Okay, this is cylindrical water pot. For this they have given us the dimension, radius and height, whereas height is 10 centimeter and radius is 7 centimeter. Okay, see, they have given us two diagrams. First diagram is of cone, that is conical water jug, and second diagram is of cylindrical water pot. What we have to do? We have to pour this cylindrical water pot by this conical jug, whereas they have given us the measurements. Conical water jug, the radius of conical water jug is 3.5 centimeter and the height is 10 centimeter. And for this cylindrical water pot, the height is 10 centimeter and the radius is 7 centimeter. And we have to pour this cylindrical water pot. So we have to find how many jug of water can this cylindrical pot hold. या cylindrical pot मध्ये आपल्याला या conical jug ने पाणी भरायचं आहे. या cylindrical water pot आणि conical jug दोन्हीची measurements आपल्याला दिले आहेत, radius आणि height. आता हे किती conical jug पाणी या cylindrical water pot मध्ये सामावू शकेल, pot मध्ये मावू शकेल, हे आपल्याला विचारलं आहे. ओके, सो how we will solve this? See, we will write what they have given first. R for conical water jug, radius R is 3.5 centimeter. Then what they given next, height is 10 centimeter. So firstly we will find the volume for this conical water jug. So volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h. We will write 1/3 as it is. For pi you will use the comfortable value in between these two for the given equation. For now we will keep pi as it is into r square 3.5 into h. Okay, so 1/3 into pi into the square of 3.5 is multiplication of 3.5 two times. So 3.5 into 3.5 into 10, we will write unit cubic centimeter. Cu is cubic. Now for cylindrical water pot they have given us the measurements. We will write that too. For cylindrical water pot, the given measurements are radius is equal to 7 centimeter and they have given us height h is equal to 10 centimeter. We will find the volume of cylindrical water pot. So volume is equal to pi r square h. We will keep pi as it is. The value of r is 7 centimeter. 7 square into h is 10 centimeter. How we can write this? pi into square of 7 is multiplication of 7 2 times 7 into 7 and height is 10. So pi into 7 into 10 and unit is cubic centimeter. We will say this as equation number 1 and the volume of water jug is equation number 2. Now what they have given in the example, that we have to find how much water can be poured in this cylindrical water pot. For that we will volume of conical water jug upon volume of cylindrical pot. So we will write the equations for that. First equation is 1 upon 3 into pi into 3.5 into 3.5 into 10 upon the equation for volume of a cylindrical pot is pi into 7 into 7 into 10. So further we will solve this. It will become we have to find how much water can be poured in the cylindrical water pot. So we will write volume of cylindrical water pot upon volume of conical water jug. Then we will write the equations. Pi into 7 into 7 into 10 upon equation for the cylindrical pot is 1 upon 3 into pi into 3.5 into 3.5 into 10. The next step will be pi and pi will get cancelled. It will be 3 into 7 into 7 into 10 upon 3.5 into 3.5 into 10. So the answer will be 12. So 12 is what? 12 jugs of water can cylindrical water pot hold. Cylindrical water pot hold. Write down the solution. Next question, question number 7. Here they have given us a diagram. It is of cylinder and then cone on that. Okay, this is the given diagram. Then onwards they have given us the dimensions for cone and cylinder. The base of cone and cylinder is the same. Obviously, if cone is placed on a cylinder, the base of cone and base of cylinder is same. Now what we have to do? We have to find the total length, that is length of cylinder and length of cone. Whereas length of cylinder they have given us, the length of cylinder is 3 centimeter. The length of cylinder is 3 centimeter. And we have to find the length for this cone. And if we will add this length of a cylinder plus length of a cone, which is equal to total length. We will solve this example. Firstly, we will write what they have given us for cylinder. Height h is equal to 3 centimeter. The value of pi r square, that is area of a base, is 1000 square centimeter. So we will find the volume of a cylinder. Volume of cylinder is equal to pi r square h. Here they have given us the value of pi r square, which is 100 square centimeter. 100 into h, height they have given, which is 3. 100 into 3 is 300 cubic centimeter. Okay, volume of a cylinder is 300 cubic centimeter. Now for cone, they have given us the value of pi r square, which is equal to again 100 square centimeter. Why it is 100 square centimeter? Because I have told you जे दोन्ही डायग्राम्सचे बेस आहेत, the base of cone and base of cylinder is same. जर दोन्ही डायग्रामचे बेस सेम आहेत तर बेसचा एरिया देखील सेम असणार आहे. सो पाय आर स्क्वेअर इज द एरिया ऑफ अ बेस. सो फॉर कोन ऑल्सो pi r, value of pi r square is 100 square centimeter, and we have to find the height h. So we will assume height h is equal to h. Okay, now volume of cone, for the volume of a cone, 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 will be as it is. The value of pi r square they have given 100, and h we have to find out. So h will be as it is. So this is the equation. Now what we have to find? We have to find the volume of both of the figures. Okay, so volume of both the figures is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. So they have given us the volume for both the figures, which is 500 cubic centimeter. Volume of a cylinder we have 300, and for volume of a cone it is 1/3 into 100 into h. Here h is the only thing that we have to find, so we will shift h over here. So here 500 minus 300 is equal to 1/3 into 100 into h. 500 minus 300 is 200, so h is equal to 200 into 3/100. So h is equal to 6 centimeter. Here we find the height of a cone. Now what we have to find? The total height. The height of a cylinder is 3 centimeter. The height of a cone is 6 centimeter. So total h is equal to height of cylinder plus height of cone, that is 3 plus 6 is equal to 9 centimeter. So total height is 9 centimeter. See how we solved it. They have given us the height of a cylinder, we have to find the height of a cone. So the base of both the figures, that is base of the cone and base of the cylinder, is same. They have given for cylinder height is 3 centimeter and area of base, that is the value of pi r square, is 100 square centimeter. Now for volume of a cylinder, the formula is pi r square. We put it the value. Volume of a cylinder is 300 cubic centimeter. For cone they have given They have told us that the base of both the figures is same, so the area of base will be also same. So pi r square is equal to 100 square centimeter, and we have to find h. So for h we will write capital H. Volume of cone, the formula is 1 upon 3 pi r square h. The value of h, for replacing h we will put the capital H. So volume of both figures is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of a cone plus volume of a cone. So volume of both figures they have given, which is 500, is equal to volume of a cylinder is 300 and volume of cone is 1 upon 3 into 100 into h. This 3 will come this side and it will become minus. So 500 minus 300 is 200 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 100 into h. We have to find the value of h, so we will take h at another side. So 200 into 3 upon 100, this will be, if we solve this, the h will be 6 centimeter. We have to find total height. Now firstly we know the height of a cylinder, then we find the height of a cone, which is 6 centimeter. So total height is equal to height of a cylinder plus height of a cone. Height of cylinder is 3, height of cone we just find it's 6, 6 plus 3 is 9 centimeter. So total height of this figure is 9 centimeter. Write down the example. In the homework you will solve the remaining examples of your practice set. Thank you.